Most creators treat content like it's their business. It isn't. Content is only the input to your business, and the moment you confuse the two, you spend years producing with nothing to show for it. Here is what's actually happening when a creator grinds for 2 years and still can't monetize. It's not that they are making bad content. It's not that their niche is wrong. It's not that they need more consistency. It's not that they're missing a layer. Every creator business, regardless of niche, platform or size, is built from the same 6 layers. When all 6 are functioning, growth compounds on itself. When one is missing, everything about it collapses. And no amount of content production fixes a structural problem. The most common response to a broken stack is post more. That is the wrong answer. That is the creator business stack, and it will show you exactly which layer you are missing right now. 6 layers, sequential, non-negotiable order. I'm going to give you the first 3, which I call the growth engine. Then the second 3, which I call the business engine. Most creators only ever build the first half. Let's talk about the growth engine, layer 1, 2 and 3. Layer 1 is the content. Content is the entry point. It is how you make ideas visible to the world through video, writing, audio, whatever format fits. Without content, there is no attention. But here is what most creators gets wrong about this layer. Content's only job at layer 1 is to start a relationship. It does not close one. A video is not a business. A video is an introduction. Layer 2, distribution. Distribution is whether your content finds the right people. 2 creators can produce identical content. The one who understands platform algorithms, search, cross postings and collaboration will grow 10 times faster than the one who is not doing all those things. So distribution is not about posting more. It's about engineering the reach, making sure that each piece of content travels beyond the audience that already follows you. Most creators treat distribution as an afterthought. It is actually a system, and it's the layer that separates creators who plateau from creators who compound. Layer 3 is the audience. From chapter 2, you already know what an audience is actually. People who make a deliberate choice to return in the stack. Layer 3 is where you own a distribution channel for the very first time. Instead of renting reach from an algorithm, you have a group of people who expects to hear from you. And this is where leverage begins, but it is not where your business begins. That is where most creators stop and mistake arrival at layer 3 for the finish line. Now let's talk about the second half, which is the business engine, layer 4, 5 and 6. Layer 4 is the trust. This is the most underbuilt layer in the creator economy and the one most creators skip entirely. Here's the distinction that changes everything. An audience tells you who is watching. Trust tells you who is listening. Trust is not a feeling, it is a track record. The accumulated result of delivering on your implicit promise over and over without contradicting yourself. It forms when you have a consistent point of view, genuine expertise, and you do not optimize for attention at the expense of accuracy. Without trust, your audience is a crowd. With trust, your audience becomes a constituency. People who will act on your recommendations, buy what you suggest, and advocate for what you represent. No products sells to a crowd. Products are sold to a constituency. So layer 5 is the product. So once trust exists, you can introduce economic value, courses, memberships, consulting, software, events, and so much things more. This specific form that matters far less than the sequence. Products must follow trust, never precede it. This is the layer where you stop being a media producer and become an entrepreneur. The content is no longer the product. The content is the proof that the product is worth buying. Layer 6 is business infrastructure. At scale, you are no longer just a person making content. You are operating a media company with team members, workflows, financial systems, legal structure, and partnerships. Infrastructure is what allows you to grow without becoming the bottleneck of your own business. This is the layer most creators don't reach quickly, but knowing it exists prevents the most expensive mistake in the creator business. Trying to scale before the layers beneath it are stable. Why the order is non-negotiable? So the stack is sequential by necessity, not convention. You cannot build trust before you have an audience. There's no option to trust you yet. You cannot sell products before trust exists. You'll convert badly and train your audience to ignore your offers, and you will just ruin your reputation. You cannot build infrastructure before products generates revenue. There's nothing to systemize. Skipping a layer does not accelerate the growth. It creates a specific diagnosable failure mode, and here is what it looks like. Skip distribution, great content, no reach. Skip audience, viral moments, no retention. Skip trust, large following, weak sales. Skip products, influence without income. Skip infrastructure, growth that breaks you. The most common skip is trust. You see an audience forming and immediately launching a product. Your mistake, size for readiness. The launch underperforms. You conclude your audience doesn't buy. The real problem, they never trusted you enough to act. You should have waited a bit more time. Here is our stack audit. Answer honestly. Layer number 1, content. Are you producing consistently? If no, this is your only problem right now. Fix this before touching anything else. Layer 2, distribution. Is there content reaching people who don't already follow? If no, you have a distribution problem, not a content problem. Layer 3, audience. Do people come back without being reminded? If no, you have traffic, not an audience. Layer 4 is trust. When you recommend something, do people act on it? If no, then your audience is watching you but not listening to you. Layer 5 is the products. Do you have something your audience can actually pay for directly? If no, you have your influence but without the income. Layer 6 is infrastructure. Can your business run for 2 weeks without involving you? If no, then you are the bottleneck of your own growth. The layer where your first honest no appears, that is your actual bottleneck. Not the layer above it, not the layer below it, that specific layer. Everything else in this book is built around solving that layer. The stack tells you what is missing. It does not tell you how to build distribution, how to develop trust, or how to structure a product. Those are system-led questions and each gets its own chapter. But before you can solve any of them, you need to know which model you are actually building. Because the business's decisions that work for an influencer are wrong for a creator, and the decisions that work for a creator are wrong for someone who is building a media company. Chapter 4 makes that distinction. It's called creator versus influencer versus media company. If you don't know which one you are, that video is not optional.